A federal appeals court will take a look at Texas's controversial immigration law today. The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals will hear arguments on whether or not Senate Bill 4 violates the U.S. Constitution. Senate Bill 4 would allow state and local law enforcement to arrest people suspected of crossing the border illegally. The bill briefly went into effect last month, but has since been temporarily blocked by courts again. The U.S. Justice Department sued Texas, claiming SB 4 oversteps federal authority. The state of Texas argues it mirrors federal law. It could take time for the judges to issue a ruling, and if either side appeals again, it would kick it up to the Supreme Court to make the ultimate decision. But aside from whether the law is constitutional, its opponents also say it will encourage racial profiling because people can be arrested on suspicion alone. Well, here's U.S. Representative from Austin, Greg Casar, sharing his thoughts on the law back in December, shortly after Governor Abbott signed it into law.
What he's essentially saying is that police officers should go hunting down people that look like immigrants to arrest them. We need our policing resources to investigate real crime and to address violence.
Well, we spoke with State Representative David Spiller on that last month, and he says officers still need probable cause to make an arrest and expects the majority of SB 4 enforcement to happen within 50 miles of the border.
It has nothing to do with racial profiling or anything like that. It has nothing to do with race. Illegal entry is based on, under the current federal statute, to say if someone crossed our border illegally at a place other than a U.S. port of entry, and if they did so, that's against the law.
Well, there have been rallies and marches against the law going into effect for months now. Governor Greg Abbott says the Biden administration has abandoned its responsibility to border security, and SB 4 could fill gaps left behind.